Hey everybody, Jamie from the Marine Doctors YouTube channel, and today we're working on a bayliner, well, in a bayliner. Mercury 4-stroke, but watch this. This is impressive. Check that out. So they were installing their electric trolling motor batteries and must have, well, done something wrong. So I have to figure out what they did wrong and then repair these wires or replace, well, probably replace these wires. So she said she had to put this out with a fire extinguisher. I don't doubt that. And this is now fused on there. That being on the negative cable and being red, that might be the culprit. I'm thinking that should have been over here on the positive, because if they're running 24, then we want to link those batteries together with a, well, typically a black cable between negative and positive. So I'm thinking that that red cable is coming from the engine itself or from the other battery, because there's 3 batteries. We can't see the other battery, but there's one that's further in, and I bet that's what they did. So I'm going to get this hopefully fixed up and get them out on the weekend and, well, deliver some good news in the end. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.